In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. Today, we remember one of the chosen servants of Allah, a prophet who stood firm in faith when corruption spread across the land. This is the story of Prophet Elisha, Elyas, among the best in the sight of Allah. Prophet Elisha, Elyas, Elisha's mission. And remember our slaves, Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, all owners of strength in worshiping us, and also of religious understanding. Verily we did chose them by granting them a good thing, the remembrance of the home in the hereafter, and they used to make the people remember it. And also they used to invite the people to obey Allah and to do good deeds for the hereafter. And they are in our sight, verily of the chosen and the best. And remember Ishmael, Elisha, and Zulkifl, all are among the best. Chapter 38. Quran.
Ibn Ishaq said that Elisha, peace be upon him, was sent to the children after Elijah, peace be upon him. He lived among his people, calling them to Allah and abiding by the message and laws of Elijah until he passed away. Then dissension rose among them, and events took momentum. Sins increased everywhere, and the tyrants increased and killed the prophets. The family history of Elisha. According to Al-Hafiz Abu al-Qasim ibn Asakir, Elisha was Ibn Adi, Ibn Shultam, Ibn Afraim, Ibn Joseph, Ibn Isaac, Ibn Abraham. It was said that he was the cousin of Elijah. Other sources said also that he had been hiding with Elijah in a cave in Mount Qasim to escape from the king of Baalabak, and when Elijah died, he, Elisha, succeeded him as a prophet among his people. If you benefited from this reminder, share it with others so the message of the prophets continues to live in our hearts. And subscribe for more inspiring stories from the Quran and Islamic history.